Immigration has always been an important building block of economic success for the United States. But unfortunately, there aren't enough green cards available for everyone who wants to work here. Every year, only 1 million people receive green cards and become legal permanent residents, while another 4 million continue to wait in line. When people come to America, they come to work. In fact, immigrants are even more likely to work than native-born Americans, which is a uniquely American phenomenon. One way that immigrants help the economy and their families is by starting businesses. And it turns out certain immigrants are more entrepreneurial than others. New research shows that immigrants are much more likely to start businesses if they are educated, arrive early in their lives, and come from countries that aren't currently well represented among immigrants. Both immigrants and the native-born population would prosper if the United States rebalanced its immigration system to admit younger and more educated immigrants from countries that have not benefited equally from our immigration policies in the past. Those countries still have entrepreneurs that are ready to come to the United States and make our economy even stronger.